Hello one and all, my name is Jasmine. I am studying 9th class in PMC ZPHS Ravela, Guntur district, Andhra Pradesh. I am very happy participate in Vikasit Bharat Birdan 2025. There are 4 themes. I am selected in one theme. Vocal for local, Kondapalli Bommalu.
Kondapalli Bommalu are traditional Indian wooden dolls originating from the Kondapalli region of Andhra Pradesh, India. These dolls are made of light softwood called Tellaponiki and are known for their unique craftsmanship and vibrant colors, including animals, gods, goddesses, kings, queens, and folk tales from the region. Popular theme also include characters from Hindu mythology like Lord Krishna or rural life, such as women with pots, farmers, or village scenes. These dolls have a significant role in the festivals and cultural tradition of Andhra Pradesh, especially during the festival of Sankranti and Navratri. Kondapalli Bommalu are not only toys or decorations; they are considered valuable collectibles. They intricate carving and vibrant coloring techniques reflect the rich heritage and craftsmanship of the region. The dolls are made using process of carving the wood into shape, followed by painting with natural dyes and varnishes. The craftsmen often use a special technique to achieve a smooth texture and bright durable colors for the figures. Overall, Kondapalli Bommalu represent a fusion of traditional craftsmanship and artistic expression, showing casing the folk culture and vibrant artist Lide and Andhra Pradesh. Thank you, one and all.